Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve this Math Olympiad problem 3 power x by 9 equal 15 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So this 3 power x by 9 I can write it as 3 square equal 15. Now as per exponent rule x power m by x power n we can write it as x power m minus n. So this becomes 3 power x minus 2 equal 15. Now if I'll take log on both sides, log 3 power x minus 2 equal log 15. Now as per log rule, log a power b, we can write it as b log a. And it becomes x minus 2 times log 3 equal log 15. Now this log 15, I can write it as log 3 times 5. Now, new exponent rule is log a times b. We can write it as log a plus log b. So, this becomes x minus 2 times log 3 equal log 3 plus log 5. Now, if I'll divide both sides by log 3, this will cancel out. So, x minus 2 equal log 3 by log 3 plus log 5 by log 3. So, x minus 2 equal 1 plus log 5 with base 3. Now, we have to find the value of x. So, we have to isolate this. So, take this negative 2 to other side as positive 2. So, x equal 3 plus log 5 with base 3. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So, if we divide it, the value of x is approximately 4.465. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find it useful, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.